used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say you, say you, say you. I'm used to give up 100 times. It's never been worth it, but now there is so much to say. This time it is different. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain, even as we're having a fight? Say
And like people have said, like there's been people calling you the Langham Lurcher. Is there any truth in that sort of rumor? Like,
If you come down at night, you'd find out.
but on a more serious note, Mick, what would you say to somebody that's thinking about bringing you a horse?
Yeah, I mean, perfectly approachable. So we'd get the best out of it. If we can't win it, I don't think anybody would.
Thanks very much for your time, Mick.
Cheers.
Would you call me on the midnight train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the